So you're not too closed off. Step back, Strongy, just have a look at one. You got the way? No, it'll be fine. Let's go. Toes on that line now. Good. 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 Keep that head still, don't dip to the offside, yeah? I want that weight on that left foot. Good, well played. All right, good. Make sure that left toe's touching the line for me, Strongy, yeah. You're going to make one big, when you bat in the summer, I need one big line, yeah? You're going to take middle twice, one for the back foot, one for the front foot, and both feet touch it, yeah? Well played, Strongy, good. Wait for the hard volley. Nice shape. Lovely shape, Strongy, good. Through mid on, Strongy. Strongy, what's the rule? Outside the pad it can go square, inside the pad within it through mid on, and that's because your head's just falling offside, yeah? Get your head over that front foot, weight coming at the machine. At the bowler, that's better. You didn't quite fall over, it just didn't wait for it long enough. Good. Head coming at me. Head at me. Well played. Well played. That head again. You feel it? Just slightly falling offside. Tone, you all right? Good. Nice shape though, good hands, Strongy, just wait for it a bit. Did it on the up a bit, didn't we? Better shape, lovely. Much better. Shot. So you're getting your body weight into it now, aren't you? We're not slicing it, we've lost those stupid hands, haven't we? You know, your blade's going through it and we're getting a bit of weight transfer. Let's keep dipping that head. Weight on that front foot. Good. Holding those hands on that line. Good, well played. Well, what? Well played, Strongy. Good, brilliant. Brilliant. Feel your head. Strongy, yeah, feel your head. You've got to get that, because you've got a wide base, we need that head over that front foot. Right, get your weight over that ball of get your front foot touching the line more. Now get your weight on the ball of that foot. Keep still, keep still. Better, much better balance. Right, keep still, don't lean, keep still. Well played. Want your head coming at the bowler, Strongy. You want that head and shoulder coming at the bowler, the machine. Good lead. All right, good shot. Outside the pad, going down. Did it a little bit early, didn't we? But you maintained the shape, so you got away with it. Wouldn't have been caught. Lovely shape, Strongy. All right, well played. Lovely timing, Strongy. Beautiful shape. You feel better? With that back leg still. Yeah, 2 feet on the floor. Lead. Alright, fine. Full stump. Good lead. Wait for it, strong egg on pushing at it again, haven't we? Let it come to you. So Strongy, what was the positive of that? You held the shape, didn't you? That's the positive. You didn't lose the shape, which meant, you know, you didn't get your foot there. It went, you hit the ball in a decent area along the ground. So let's focus on those positives. We know we could have done a little bit closer to the ball. Good, nice timing. That goes through the gap, that's 4, mate. Right, okay.